in a whip, so I gotta zoom. They tryna talk, they not in a room. I've been so real, I'm dead to the tomb. They in the way, they gotta move. I got a gas, they running on fumes. Told them way back, it's something new. Sit it down, you gotta choose. I'm taking my spot, I'm doing
This one's getting full vehicle protection all the way around. Right now, I just gotta do the roof, and that's it on this one.
You're pretty much done with it?
I'm sorry?
You're done with it after that?
Staking, yes, but it still has to go outside. And we should let it dry for a couple hours, go over it, wash it, go over it again, and then get it ready for the customer. This one's all the way around. Everything.
Pretty hard car?
No. Excuse me. Sorry to say that again, but no. It's not hard.
No?
They look hard, but they're easy actually. I started here and just pulled this way, so easy. They're easy. They look bad, but no. They're easy.
With the Ouija board. Close to the bridge. Those things been around forever. The long prayer ones where they got eyes? Yeah. Yeah, brother!
Tinting.
Oh, not Orlando, but Destin Airport. If you drive like a car like that, you have to. Flying is gonna be way. At least gas.
Come on, man. No, I didn't eat. Where we eat? Word? You got your old lens back? Yeah? You got that TV monitor out of my face?
Got it on camera.
Just did an estimate at a daycare for 14 mil security film with an attachment.
What's that?
So basically reinforces the glass to the frame of the building, so it's one solid piece, so you can't throw a rock and break through the window. So we get some security film calls lately because the crazies are out breaking into schools and whatnot. Impact resistant, shatterproof glass, pretty much is what we're doing. We're reinforcing it.
What's the word?
What you up to today?
Oh, just inspecting all these beautiful vehicles. We got a special client with this new Mercedes. Just checking it out. It looks pretty legit. Andre sold a job. You already don't have one again? Anything you want to get to CG extra? You're gonna ask him about my deal.
Monto. Damn it.
Sending out thank you cards
Two.
to customers. Come in. We're doing a new thing now where we're sending out thank you cards just to show our appreciation for them coming in and spending their hard-earned money with us and choosing us over everybody else. So it's just something personal that we want to send out and just say thank you.
But it's good for both solutions, or you know. Hey guys, we're gonna do another shop walkthrough. We are tinting a Mazda from Town North Mazda here. We got a GMC for tint. We completed. We got a Bronco. We love the Broncos. Those are super cool. We tinted that already. Just had a Ford that was parked right here pull out. We got the Taycan. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but we did a PPF paint protection film on this fender here. You can see the tape. We still got the tape on there where we're doing the QC quality control. Tape it up, take a look at it. Anything that might be wrong, we can fix it before the customer gets it. That's a $200,000 car, Turbo S, but it's electric. I don't know why they call them turbos, but it's super cool. We got the Porsche here. We did this one in a full XPEL paint protection film. So that whole thing is going to be protected, and customers going to enjoy it. We also did a paint correction, and I believe we're doing a ceramic coating to top it off. I'll have to go check on that. And let's go in the shop, see what's going on. All right, we're inside. Got a Suburban for a full tint job here. It's about to get done. I bet you it'll take them about 15 to 30 minutes easily with all these guys. AMG GLE 53 full ceramic window tint got completed. It's sitting here because in the morning it's going to get a full front paint protection film package with the A-pillars. So that one should be all stuck tomorrow and delivered this week. BMW, this bad boy also got a full front paint protection film package. Did we tint this one, or was it already tinted? So we didn't tint this one. No. I could probably show you some proof of that, like I always do in every video. But the good thing is the paint protection film will be way tighter than this. All the way to the edge and wrap. We're at, got some motorcycles out here. We got a McLaren across the street, but I'm actually about to get adjusted with my chiropractor, Troy.
Yeah.
My back muscle tightened up, and it's been bugging me, so trying to get fixed.
Your left leg. Okay, up it out to the side.
I think you saw Randy just a few ago, right, Randy?
Yeah, he was just in. He said you were straight right leg. Knee up and out to the side.
I think so.
That right side's been bad for a while. The right side was been the bad side for the last week or so, but no, yeah, definitely this side right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see it.
Like most people can't see it. Last week.
Well, no, you were. It was so dramatic last week. You couldn't help us notice.
Last week I looked like a sick person.
You did.
Yeah.
Yes. But it's getting much better. But it's still. I mean, like I said, there's still tightness. Was it? Yeah, left and then right. Yeah.
So I just left the chiropractor, and as you know, I hurt my back. I don't really know what happened, but it's like my muscles tightened up, and my hip got pulled up into my nerve, and I really just had trouble walking, rolling over. I couldn't sleep. This was last week. I couldn't sleep. I couldn't walk. I couldn't sit. I couldn't stand. It was just really hard for me. On top of everything else I got going on, it was just super stressful, and I got super down on myself, and it was a really hard time. It's like depressing, it's hard to work, it's hard to do anything, hard to sleep, hard to sit. So it was real hard. I was just depressed, and the way I get through that is when I get down, my trainer said I need to eat correctly, and nutrition is really important for healing, and that's something I've really learned having a trainer for the last year. Like, you can get through a lot whenever you eat correctly. You'll feel better, your body heals faster, and nutrition's so important. At the same time, I gotta start stacking wins. Even when I'm hurting, I gotta stack some wins. Like, you'll notice if you go out and you do something and just get things accomplished or get things done, whatever that is for you, you'll start to feel better. For me, it's been tough because we've been training Tyler to do sales, and I haven't been out doing sales every day like I normally am. And that routine has also been a shocker and depressing because I'm not out there like, oh, bam, I got a sale, I got a win. Every time I get a sale, I feel like I won. So that was really uplifting to me. So now I'm like super depressed with my back and everything, and I'm like, how do I get a win? I don't know what's going on. And I figured out that I wasn't out there getting sales and winning. So this week I've kind of figured it out. I just got to get back out. My body's starting to feel a little bit better. Keep doing what I'm supposed to do, get the nutrition right, see my trainer, see my chiropractor, and go out there and stack some wins. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll see you next week.